Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Domani protocol token. Ticker symbol is Dextf, D-E-X-T-F. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, May 5th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, like I said, is being listed today, May 5th. Listing time is exactly 12 o'clock UTC time. So how you get this token, it is being listed on Mexc Global. So that is a central exchange. If you've never used it before and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DEXTF, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a listing announcement at Mexc Global's Twitter, at Mexc_global. Their Domani's Twitter is at Domani Protocol. It's pretty easy to find there. They have a details page on Mexc Global. If you click on details, it will take you over to a page that has all of their socials, their web page, their block explorer, full white paper. So there is a total supply of 100,000 DEXTF tokens. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, so their Etherscan is available here. So far they have 2,516 holders. Token price is around 8 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap is about $7.9 million. And there's 18 decimal places on this token for a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Their official webpage is domani.finance. Like I said, they have a full white paper as well. They also have a Discord. Their Telegram is at Domani Protocol, and their Twitter is also at Domani Protocol. So Domani Protocol is a digital asset management infrastructure on the blockchain that allows anyone to create, mint, and redeem XTF funds. Each XTF fund is an ERC20 token with its own address and contract, allowing users to hold, trade, transfer, redeem, and utilize XTF funds. Like any other token, the XTF funds are also composable, both downstream as any ERC20. They can be used by other protocols as collateral or underlying for any decentralized finance application, and upstream they can hold various other ERC20 like decentralized options, yielding, producing tokens, liquidity pools, etc. So on their webpage, if you go over to domani.finance, you can find a wiki, you can find docs, you can find their DApp, you can launch the Domani DApp. It says on desktop only for now, so maybe they'll come out with a mobile app in the future. Now, the document is pretty straightforward. It's docs.domani.finance. It says DEXTF is constantly evolving and building for tomorrow, which is why we're extremely proud to announce that we are rebranding ourselves to Domani, pronounced Do-Ma-Ni, and meaning tomorrow in Italian. So that's what Domani means, tomorrow protocol. With the protocol moving away from its roots in Ethereum and adopting a multi-chain strategy in partnership with Avalanche, Solana, Algorand, our team believes that it is Now time to change our branding to better align it with our values, vision, and strategy. Asset management is tedious. Domani is here to change that. Our plan envisions democratizing token management for all through gamifications of the industry. We felt that the Dextf token was a far too formal and clunky name for such a fast-paced and ever-changing industry, so Domani, tomorrow in Italian, explains this perfectly and signifies a remarkable inflection point for the protocol. So if you did hear about Dextf before, now it's Domani. So they have frequently asked questions on their page here. They also have token introduction. So the token, it's an ERC20 token. It's created and first called it the Dextf token. Now we changed the name. Obviously, just went over that. The Domani protocol can be upgraded and configured by the token holders and their delegates. All potential changes to the protocol, including the adjustment of system parameters like management fee factors and interest rate algorithms, must pass through proposals and voting process as specified in the governance smart contract. So it is a DAO. Now, key concepts of the tokens. So it's an ERC20 token. It can be used for proposals, voting, delegation. So allocation here, 30% of the total supply went to the team for platform development, 2-year locking. And then we got 5% of the supply allocated to advisors, 50% of the supply allocated to portfolio managers and investors, and 15% of the total supply community-driven allocation. So there's voting, time locks, custody, distribution, maintenance, incentive schemes, portfolio managers, liquidity providers, and a distribution method. So they do have an audit report on here. So they were audited by Security Assessment Report SAR. And it says, yeah, you can click on 2 different links and check out 2 different audits that are on here. They have a rewards program. They have a team section on here, LP rewards, supported tokens, video tutorials you could check out. They have their own wiki and frequently asked questions. So how do I create a fund is on here. How many underlying assets can I select in a fund? What are the available assets that can be used in the fund, etc., etc. So you can check this all out at docs.domani.finance. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.